Hi folks, this is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of May 22nd, 2012. As always, the charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software. First chart we look at is a weekly bond market, and as you can see, they've had a really nice rally that's turned down a little bit this week, but I want to make sure everybody keeps this in perspective. They've had a pretty good turn down this week, and it means nothing. They've got resistance all the way up at 149.16, and it's not out of the question that they reach that before the holiday. The support is way down here at about 146. They haven't even got there yet, and that's just support that would continue the trend up. Even the green line down here, 145, is not only good support, but it kind of matches these old swing highs in through way back here last year. So all of those are actually relatively bullish things if they reach them. They'd need to break below 143.16 down here at the red line before they'd look weak at all. So they do seem to be turning down this week, and they've certainly earned a breather. But don't lose your perspective that this is a pretty good move, and they've broken out the highs of all of this sideways stuff. So it doesn't mean the move's over. Just be prepared. Now in stocks, we have sort of the opposite situation, that they broke down the last couple of weeks and then have turned back up this week, and turning back up hasn't amounted to anything yet. You have this resistance up here at roughly the 1330 area that they have not reached yet, and even if they reach that, all the way up here to about 1347 is still just good resistance for continuing the trend down. Nothing that would look out untowards. They've got a red line up here at 1375, and they really need to trade above that before there's anything positive in this market. And there's support down here in the 1272 area, which coincides with a swing high way back here in October of last year. That has seemed like a reasonable target to me ever since they turned down here, and doesn't mean they have to get there, but they do have that support lining up with that. If they do get that low, that's probably going to be a pretty good reason to buy. But for now, yes, they've turned up, but they haven't accomplished anything yet. So we'll be looking at 1330 and 1347 to see if anything gets generated in resistance there. So that's what we've got for you today. Hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into before the weekend. Have a good day trading and a great holiday.